Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, in today's video we'll show you how to remove or replace a tail light on BMW E46. Stay with us guys, we'll show you how to do that. This one particularly is convertible, but it should be the same for the Sedan and Coupe as well. What you need to do guys, we're showing you guys on the passenger side because it's a little bit more complicated. You need to lift that cover for the spare tire right there. And once you remove that, we will also need to remove the cover for the battery. Sometimes you might have two clips here. On this one it's missing. Okay, that's where the battery is. And now, okay, we need to pull this one, and that's where the third nut is located, right there, underneath it. Okay, once we remove the other one guys, we should be very close to removing the tail light actually out of there now. Okay, it comes in a certain way because it's 3 bolts that go in there, and now we have the wires that you can actually disconnect from the outside by pressing down here towards each other. Okay, these two things, press them like that, and this guys is the tail light. That's how you remove it, that's how you replace it guys. Thank you for watching, don't forget to So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, see you guys next time.